Mathaa manini mbere ya gĩthurano kĩnene gĩtabanĩtio anyiti itemi o ũndũ ũmwe na honge mwanya mwanya irĩ hinya-inĩ rĩa meharĩria ma mũthia. Kaunti-inĩ ya Nakuru, kanjũ ya kũnyabara mĩrutĩre wĩra ya andiki a mohoro nĩyo MCK nĩ hingũrĩte ceceni ya gũteithĩrĩria andiki a mohoro kũruta wĩra na njĩra njega hĩndĩ ya gĩthurano.
They are located strategically near the county tallying center so that journalists can be able to interact with IEBC officials and other newsmakers and then be able to file stories from a safe working environment like here. In these media centers we have workstations like here. I think we have 26 workstations, broadband internet, either Wi-Fi or cable internet, and technical support with a corner for you to do interviews. The whole idea is that not all media houses have bureau offices across the country, and many of the journalists sent from the headquarters need a better working environment, not from corridors or the back of cars.
Igana na mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa kanjũ ĩno David Muoyo, wabici iria hakuhĩ na wabici cia ũtari wa kura cia ABC cia gĩkĩro gĩa county na cigũkorwo ikĩruta wĩra nginyagia gũtirihwo kwa ithurano.
Conducive working environment. Number two is safety, because if you have people who are uncomfortable with what you are doing, they easily look around for you. But when you have a protected, safe space, we expect that there is not just a conducive work environment, but also a safe environment to do your work.
Oho Muoyo nĩeranĩire ũgitĩri wa andiki a mohoro na ũtangĩkĩri wao rĩothe kũngĩgĩa na ũgwati na makĩria kũria andiki a mohoro makorwo na wĩigĩrĩrĩki wĩra-inĩ wao.
I would urge that as you have noticed today, a few hours to the opening of polling, there is a lot of information flying around. I urge media to exercise caution and verify facts. Realize that just the slightest misinformation or the slightest report that has not been confirmed can cause unnecessary tension.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Nakuru, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wang'ombe wa Maina.